apps that you need when starting a YouTube channel. If you are willing to start a YouTube channel, or you are into YouTube already, but you don't know about this app, the last app is very important, so you don't have to miss any part of this video. So number one app you need is your editing app, either CapCut or InShot. These are basic app, and they are user friendly. What I mean is that I'm not trying to advertise anything, but I'm not trying to tell you, from my experience. Yes, from my experience, they are so simple to use, and it is beginner friendly. So try either CapCut or InShot and take me later. Now the second app that you need is Canva. Canva. Canva is very important for your videos, because for you to upload a video on YouTube, you need a it's not a must that you need a thumbnail, but it's very important. It's very essential that you need a thumbnail, your YouTube thumbnail. So you need Canva. You need Canva to edit your thumbnails. And then the third app that you need and you don't want to miss is your YouTube Studio. Your YouTube Studio app. It is very important. The YouTube Studio app allows you to 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 check the whole metrics of your video, to check how it is doing, and how what people are searching for. So YouTube Studio is very important as a YouTuber. You need to have it. Now the last one, this is very important one. The last one you need to have is either vidIQ or TubeBuddy. vidIQ or TubeBuddy. These two apps are very crucial. When I say they're very crucial, I mean prioritize them. If I say it very well, prioritize them. They're very essential for this your YouTube journey. If you don't have any of these two apps that I mentioned, they're either vidIQ or TubeBuddy. Man, you're missing a lot. I'm speaking out of experience. Bro, try either vidIQ or TubeBuddy and thank me later. And I swear, and thank me later. So I just wanted to share with you guys. I'm not here to advertise anything or to say that this particular one does very well. But I'm trying to tell you based on my experience. My shorts have been getting not less than 500 view. Like they are getting 500 view, 200 view, 100 view, at times 10 view, and I was very bothered until I came across a woman that taught me how to use TubeBuddy or vidIQ. And when I tried it, my bro, as you can see from my channels now, these are 1K plus videos, and it is unusual for my channel, but it is usual now because of what I implemented on the stuff. So try this out and tag me later. See your boy Chikwado. I give it to you guys banger to banger. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell, so each time I upload my videos, my funny comedy video, because I do comedy most especially. So you watch them and catch some fun. Thank you. Make sure you try out these 4 apps and then thank me later. Bye bye.